CJ Dropshipping versus Zendrop. What is the best supplier? Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Now, if you're looking to grow your dropshipping business, two major names you've probably come across are CJ Dropshipping and Zendrop. But which one is actually better for your business? In this video, we'll break down CJ Dropshipping versus Zendrop in terms of pricing, shipping, product quality, ease of use, integrations, and more, so you can decide which is the best fit for your brand. And so, all of the mentioned tools are going to be on the description box below, so make sure to check it out. The first thing that we have to talk about is what are both platforms. So, CJ Dropshipping is a China-based dropshipping supplier that offers product sourcing, custom branding, and warehouses in multiple countries. It's free to use and targets sellers looking for lower cost products and global reach. Now, Zendrop, on the other hand, is a US-based company that focuses on faster shipping and a cleaner user interface. It's ideal for beginners who want a plug-and-play system with features tailored towards e-commerce automation and support. And so, let's talk about their product sourcing and catalog. Now, CJ Dropshipping has a vast product catalog sourced mainly from China. You can also request custom sourcing if a product isn't listed. And Zendrop has a more curated catalog but less variety than CJ. However, Zendrop also offers US source products and Zendrop select items for faster shipping and vetted quality. Now, if you need variety and sourcing flexibility, CJ wins. If you prefer quality over quantity, Zendrop shines. Now, let's talk about their pricing and subscription. CJ Dropshipping is free to use, but you'll pay per product and for any additional services like private labeling. Now, Zendrop offers a free plan, but for advanced features like US shipping, automated fulfillment, and branded invoicing, you'll need to go ahead and avail a paid plan which starts around $50 per month. So if you're in a tight budget, CJ is more affordable upfront, but Zendrop paid features can save you time and improve customer satisfaction. And now let's talk about one of the most important topic, which is going to be the shipping and delivery time. Now, this is a huge factor in dropshipping. CJ Dropshipping ships mainly from China, with delivery times ranging from 7 to 20 days. Though they do offer faster options via US-EU warehouses. Now for Zendrop, they emphasizes faster shipping, especially for US customers, with estimated delivery of 5 to 8 business days on many products. Now, for US-based stores that need speed, Zendrop takes the lead. For global or budget-focused stores, CJ can still work well. From there, let's talk about the branding and packaging. CJ Dropshipping offers custom packaging, private labeling, and branding services even on smaller orders. Now for Zendrop, they also offer custom branding, but typically for higher tier users and bulk orders. So typically or usually for Zendrop, you have to pay more in order to unlock the custom branding feature. And so if you're building a branded store, CJ gives you more flexible options early on rather than Zendrop right here. Because with Zendrop, you simply have to pay more in order to unlock that specific feature. And from there, let's talk about their integrations. Now, both platforms integrate with Shopify. CJ also works with WooCommerce, eBay, and more. Now, Zendrop mainly focuses on Shopify users with a seamless and beginner-friendly experience. So, if you're using Shopify, both are great. And since Shopify is a huge platform for dropshipping, I'll also share you on how you can go ahead and install both platforms. So you just want to navigate through your Shopify dashboard And from here, you then want to click on the Add Apps button. Click on the Shopify App Store. And simply once inside, you then want to search for the application that you want to install. In our case, it's going to be Zendrop and CJ Dropshipping. So just click on CJ Dropshipping, click on the install button, and you will be able to integrate CJ with Shopify right here. For Zendrop, you just want to search for Zendrop right here. And right after, you then want to look for the Zendrop official application on Shopify. Click on the install button, and from there you will be able to integrate both platforms through your Shopify dropshipping store. But if you're selling on other platform, CJ offers more flexibility because it is available for more platforms out there. Now, let's talk about their user experience and ease of use. Zendrop dashboard is clean, intuitive, and easy to navigate. It's simply perfect for beginners. While CJ Dropshipping is powerful, it can feel cluttered or overwhelming at first due to the large numbers of options, as you can see right here. If you're new to dropshipping, Zendrop feels more beginner-friendly rather than CJ. CJ is better suited for users who want granular control and advanced feature. From there, let's talk about their customer support. Zendrop offers live chat support, extensive documentation, and faster response times, especially for paid users. As you can see the pattern right here, in order to unlock more features for Zendrop, you simply have to pay more. Now, for CJ Dropshipping, they also have 24/7 support, dedicated agents, and order management, but response times can vary. Now with this category for customer support, Zendrop wins for personalized and fast support, while CJ gives you more scalable support tools as your business grows. And so let's talk about which tool is better. Now, you want to use CJ Dropshipping if you want product variety, advanced sourcing, and global fulfillment, especially if you're on a tight budget and don't mind learning a slightly more complex platform. You then want to choose Zendrop if you're just starting out, want fast US shipping, a clean interface, and are okay with paying a bit more for convenience and automation. Now both platforms are excellent. The right one depends on your business model, budget, and target audience. And so, let us know in the comments below. Which platform are you using or planning to try? CJ Dropshipping or Zendrop? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more e-commerce and dropshipping tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.